Hey there, Cozy Car Covers fam. Today we've got something special for you, the Coverado Leather Seat Covers. If you want to upgrade your car's interior with luxury, stay tuned because this might be the perfect fit for you. Alright, let's dive right into it. The Coverado Leather Seat Covers are designed to offer both protection and style for your car seats. Whether you're trying to keep your seats in pristine condition or give your car a new look, these covers have got you covered. Pun intended. First things first, let's talk about design and quality. These seat covers are made from high-quality leather, giving your car a sleek and sophisticated appearance. The stitching is top-notch, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. Plus, they come in a universal fit, which will fit most car models. The material feels premium, and the perforated leather design looks good and provides better breathability. No more sweaty backs on those hot summer days. Now let's get into the key features and functionality. One of the standout features of the Coverado leather seat covers is the multi-layer construction. The top layer is premium leather, followed by a foam padding layer for extra comfort and a non-slip backing to keep everything in place. This means you get a comfortable and secure seating experience. Another great feature is the built-in pockets. These are handy for storing your phone, keys, or any small items you need quick access to. And installation. It's a breeze. The covers come with detailed instructions and installation tools, so you can have them on quickly. Compared to similar products, the Coverado leather seat covers stand out with their premium leather quality and thoughtful design features. Some other brands might offer synthetic leather or less padding, but Coverado goes the extra mile to ensure comfort and durability. All right, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: high-quality leather, excellent breathability, easy installation, and added storage pockets. Cons: while the universal fit is fantastic, it might be snug on larger seats. Also, the price point is a bit higher, but you're paying for quality here. So why choose the Coverado leather seat covers over others? It's simple. The combination of premium materials, thoughtful design, and added features makes it a standout choice. These seat covers are worth considering if you value comfort, style, and durability. In conclusion, the Coverado leather seat covers are a fantastic investment for anyone considering upgrading their car's interior. They offer an outstanding balance of style, comfort, and functionality. There are minor drawbacks, but the overall quality and benefits outweigh them. I highly recommend these seat covers for car enthusiasts who want to add a touch of luxury to their ride. If you're interested in the Coverado leather seat covers, click the Amazon link below to learn more and purchase a set. Please subscribe to our channel for more car seat cover reviews. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and let me know what car seat covers you use and love. Until next time, keep it cozy, gearheads.